Sithandwa, alright.
Yeah, right.
How was your day, man?
Right. Hayi la ngalamu. Ililike ngibhizi nemashini.
Why?
Ngidala ngicede ukuketha lakhona. Izulu ngapha liyana. Wena?
Really sharp again.
I remember ngiyakhumbula ke together besimoja bebathi mabasibona abantu basidlele nomona bengithi mangiphume esigele ngidluleke ngifuna ukukubona bengithi mangakubona ishingchile kulela khona ishiplazi ngena phone dlulekini ngishiya iflat hamba kwakho baby impila zanke yabalula wahamba wathi uzobuya mina ngithi sowakhohlwa ngoba sowacoma but I'm glad ngoba la bengazi namba ngeke ulahla njengoba mina wangilahle ngiyasuthanda ngeke ulahle nama memory le mntwana bengazi namba ngeke ulahla njengoba ngithole miss call bengazi namba ngeke ulahle one day ngihlaba ngekhola ngiyazi bebe uyangikhumbula kodwa lapha ngikhona ngiphusha isipana kunakuphumula ngathembiswe nanengane ukuthi ekhaya ngizobuya better take my advice things are gonna be alright nothing better than survive nami ngisalwa nali life from ekasi to suburbs kuthi impilo ibe grand kuthi mangiphule nathi siphilele you survive
Engizwa ngisho mangifuna angizwa umuntu ngidropile amazi ngidropile